What's up, friends? Welcome back to GIO'S Wave, and today's video is going to be filmed in my kitchen. I'm going to be attempting to do an avocado slash guacamole hair mask today. I'm going to go quickly hop in the shower because I want clean hair when I put this mask in my hair. Hopefully I make this mask correct. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my hair because I kind of love my hair. So anyways, yeah, I'll be right back, and yeah, stay tuned. What's up, guys? I'm back. I'm out the shower. My hair is completely washed. I have this bandana on because my hair is completely wet and is dripping down my back, so I decided to just go ahead and put this bandana on. So before I go ahead and make this guacamole hair mask, let me first shout out BelleBar Organic as they're helping me out with this project. They make customized hair masks, face masks, hair serums, infused oils, infused teas, whatever you can think of, they make it. I'm going to put a link in my description below. Just go ahead and check them out. They're super dope. So we're going to go ahead and get it started. First ingredient being an avocado. So I'm going to go ahead and open this joint up. Boom. Now, fortunately I don't have a blender, so we're going to improvise. I'm gonna go ahead and try to smash it in my hand, and I'm gonna use a whisk. Yeah, my mom said she was gonna give me a blender when I first moved here, but it didn't happen. So thanks, Mom. Luckily the guacamole is already Luckily the avocado is already ripened, so it's easier to get out. Now we just go ahead and smash it. Alright guys, so we're gonna move into the next step, adding each ingredient separately. So we're gonna start off with the onion powder, and we're gonna take a teaspoon of each ingredient that I'm about to use right now. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add lemon peel powder. Next is the cilantro powder. Next is the pink Himalayan sea salt. And the last ingredient is the BelleBar Organic customized avocado mask. Alright, so actually we're gonna use 2 teaspoons of this. Alright, so here we go. This looks weird, but let's go ahead and quickly mix it all together. Alright, now it's all mixed together, so we're gonna go ahead and start sectioning off our hair and add it to our hair. This thing is absolutely thick. I see why they wanted blended, but I guess the majority of the hair masks are thick, so it says to leave it in for an hour, so we're gonna do that and listen to instructions, because that's what responsible people do. We listen to instructions. Right? Yeah. Welcome back to my room. I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning off my hair. It's probably the dumbest idea for me to wear this white t-shirt, but whatever. This thing is soaked, yo. By the way, there's absolutely nothing in my hair. I completely washed everything on my hair. It's like just straight up hair mask going in here. Alright friends, hands dirty. The mask is all in. As you can tell, there's a little bit extra. Just gonna rub that in there. It's like that. Alright, so the mask is all in. I'm gonna wait an hour, have it in there, and just go ahead and wash it out, and I'll be back. Shout out to these dookie braids, dog. What's good, Snoop? Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Let me just get a quick shout out back to BelleBar Organic. Thank you so much for sending me the product. This was an amazing video. This was super fun to do. Yo, my hair feels super light. The definition is amazing. Like, it's super defined right now. Again, so if you want to know a little bit more about them, go ahead and click that link in there in my description box. And that wraps up this video. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell button to get notified anytime I post. Again, always follow me on my social medias. That's again Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, all GIO Filipino hair. You know what to do, stay wavy, and I'll see y'all next time.